Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to optimize your website for search engines, SEO. By the end of this video, you'll know how to improve your website's visibility and attract more visitors. Let's get started. Keyword research and on-page SEO. Step 1. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find keywords your audience is searching for. For example, if you run a bakery, search for terms like, best birthday cakes near me. Choose keywords with high search volume and low competition. Step 2. On-page SEO. Add your keywords to page titles, meta descriptions, and headers H1, H2, H3. This helps search engines understand your page and rank it higher. Quality content and mobile-friendly design. Step 3. Create quality content. Write helpful, original, and engaging content that answers your audience's questions. Use images, videos, and bullet points to make it easy to read. Google loves content that provides value. Step 4. Mobile-friendly design. Most people browse on their phones, so your website must look great on all devices. Use responsive design to ensure your site adjusts to different screen sizes. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites. Page speed optimization and links. Step 5. Page speed optimization. Slow websites frustrate users and hurt your rankings. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to check your speed. Compress images, enable browser caching, and minimize code to make your site faster. Step 6. Internal and external links. Link to other pages on your site, internal links, and reputable websites, external links. This helps search engines understand your content and improves your credibility. Alt text and sitemap submission. Step 7. Alt text for images. Add descriptive alt text to all images. This helps search engines understand what your images are about and improves accessibility. Step 8. Submit your sitemap to Google. A sitemap is a file that lists all your website pages. Use Google Search Console to submit your sitemap. This helps Google crawl and index your site faster. Monitor, improve and conclusion. Step 9. Monitor and improve. Use tools like Google Analytics and Search Console to track your website's performance. Look at metrics like traffic, bounce rate, and keyword rankings. Regularly update your content and fix any issues to stay ahead. And that's it. You've just learned how to optimize your website for search engines. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.